Okay, word order part 3. This time we're going to be replacing both the direct and the indirect object in each sentence. So we're going to start out by identifying the indirect and direct object in each sentence. I would suggest that you write underneath it these pronouns that we're going to replace them with, just to make it a little bit easier. Das Brot, that's the thing being given, that's our direct object. It is neuter, so we will put es underneath it. Meinem Freund, that's the person that the bread is being given to the case, so it's dative. Friend is masculine, so we get ihm. Now, when we write this whole thing out again, the thing is when you are dealing with direct and indirect objects in each sentence, we need to use the word order svedai. So let's write it out. Ich gebe es ihm. Okay, so it's a little strange, but if you think about it, we do this in English as well with our word order. I give it. And with our dative case, we always put the word to in English. And in German, you know, the dative case it has that word to implied. So the word order is the same in English. In other words, if I want to diagram it for you, our word order in both languages is svedai. Now, how can you remember this? Well, you've got the word die right here, and you may think, oh, that's so complicated, it just makes me want to die. Well, there you go, svedai. So you got to switch it around. It's more complicated. You got to switch it. Okay, next one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to identify our indirect and direct objects and go ahead and put the pronouns down for them. Garten ist maskulin, and that's our direct object, so we will put ihn. Dem Kind, to the child, this is the person that the garden is being shown to, that's dative. So child is neuter, we'll put ihm. And when we write it down, once again, we're going to be using svedai. Kannst du ihn ihm zeigen? So we do have svedai again. Well, I have my verb and then my subject, but we do have direct and then indirect. Once again, in English, same thing. Can you show it to him? To him. Okay, last one. Wir schenken unserer Mutter ein Auto. Start by replacing your nouns with pronouns. Car is the thing being given. It's neuter. It's accusative because it's a direct object. To our mother, that is dative. She's feminine. We're going to put in ihr. And once again, when we write the whole thing out, we're thinking svedai because we had to replace everything. So wir schenken es ihr. We give it to her. It to her. So svedai. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll make another video. Tschüss.